I think what sets Carolina Foundation Solutions apart is the team environment. From the estimator to our production manager to our crew that actually installs the product, we get input from everyone. Carolina Foundation Solutions was called in because they needed to safely excavate down here at the bottom of the shoring. We install a soil screw system. The area is excavated down, usually about 4 or 5 feet. And then the wall is prepped with a geogrid.
We're holding back the earth.
And that just basically holds dirt in place and allows for water to come in as it seeps through the wall. It'll get filtered down. So it just kind of protects the cut at that initial excavation. And then once that is done, then we take the soil screws and we install those. They installed about 15 to 20 of them along the row. And a soil screw is a 7-foot piece of steel that has 3 8-inch diameter plates on it. You're screwing a big piece of 7-foot steel into the earth, and we have 7-foot extensions that will follow that. Then we put up the welded wire fencing which holds the earth in place. Then we lock it off with our plates and the system is installed. Soil screws, when we screw those into the earth, that screw is locked in place, it's holding earth back. We also install soil nail systems. With a soil nail system, then you have to let the grout cure, and that takes up to 3 days. And when you're dealing with a time-sensitive project, with this one in Winston-Salem that has the traffic, that has different things, you're trying to get in and out as fast as possible. Soil screw can be a really good option for you. We've been able to develop relationships with our customers for years. They know that we have the crew and the capabilities because we've proven that. And they know that when they call us in to help and for advice, and we look at the project and we say which one is going to be the best for this project. We don't try to take one system and make it fit for every project. If we think there's a better option someplace else, then we're going to direct them that way. So they know that they can trust us to kind of help them carry that project to fruition. So that's probably the biggest thing, I think, the trust factor.